Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove rows and columns in Google Docs without deleting content. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then you have open or insert a table. Now I am insert my table. Then firstly select the cell and click right on your mouse and click delete column. You can see this column are deleted. Now I am select this cell and click right on your mouse, click delete row. Now you can see this row is deleted. Simply this select the cell and right click on your mouse, then again click delete column. This column is deleted. Here we can see remove rows and column in Google Docs without deleting content very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.